Hey everybody. Just another beautiful day at the beach. We're in San Clemente, California. We're at the pier. Obviously doing some work for the new year. Happy 2022 to you. I spent the last hour or two working on California tax withholding rates for 2022, and they are now updated in the payroll and Excel application. This is the easiest payroll file you can possibly purchase and use. It's inexpensive. It works really, really well. And of course, we're here in California. As I tour the country, I like to do videos in states where I'm working on the payroll at the given time. So California is actually kind of complicated, but we've been able to break it down to the sum of its parts and really go over every element. I'll explain what you need to gather from your employees to calculate California state withholding and employment training credit tax and state disability are things that you'll need in California. So what do you need when you gather information from your employees? You're going to need to have them fill out the DE-4, and it's going to have a number of allowances that they need, which you'll put here, and also an additional allowance worksheet that they have as well, and you can put those allowances there. You're also going to need to choose a state filing status, and the state filing status for California can be single, can be married with one income, can be married with two incomes, which is actually the same status as single when it comes to tax rates, and also head of household. And then you have your regular W-4, your new W-4 information that you need to fill out as well. So when you gather all that information, you'll be able to put in hours and generate a pay stub. And on your pay stub, you're going to see certain line items for this ETT tax right here, state disability insurance, and your federal tax withholding your federal tax withholding and your state withholding for California, which is right here. Federal withholding is right here. So your taxes are going to be different based on your filing status and number of allowances. But I have done all the work in here and checked it. Everything's looking really, really good. There's some complicated formulas here to determine exactly what your tax withholding is. They raised the cost of living adjustment slightly, so if you got the same gross pay as last year, you'll get a few more dollars of take-home pay this year, because they have raised the thresholds for the different levels of income this year slightly. So that is update for California. I'll be getting all the files out to everyone who is a client of mine in California, and if you'd like to purchase one for yourself, this file has so many different things. I've done a bunch of different videos showing all the different elements and how it works. But basically California is ready. It's one of the more complicated states, and it's good to see that done. So payroll should be easy, everyone. We're continuing to make it so here in beautiful, beautiful California. We finally got some sun. I highly recommend down here in Orange County checking out areas like San Clemente here. A nice little kind of boardwalk area. It is just a beautiful day. Good to get out, get some sun, and enjoy it while you can. All right, everyone. Good luck. Payroll should be easy. We're making it so.